Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to block someone in Google Messages. Blocking a contact in Google Messages prevents them from sending you messages or calling you through the app. It's an effective way to avoid unwanted communication, spam, or harassment. So once blocked, the person won't be notified and the messages won't appear in your inbox. The first thing to do is to locate and tap on the Google Messages app icon on your Android device. It's typically represented by a blue speech bubble with a white message icon inside. So scroll through your conversations to find the chat with the person you wish to block. Tap and hold the conversation thread with the contact you want to block. This action will highlight the selected chat and reveal additional options at the top of the screen. Go ahead and tap the three dot icon, menu icon in the top right corner of the screen. And from the drop down menu, go ahead and select block. A confirmation prompt to appear. To report the conversation as spam, check the box next to report spam, which is optional. Then tap OK to confirm. The contact is now blocked and their messages will no longer appear in your inbox. So if you decide to unblock a contact, it's pretty simple. Launch the Google Messages app on your device. Go ahead and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner, then select spam and blocked from the menu. Once you do that, go ahead and find the contact you wish to unblock in the list. Tap on the contact, then tap unblock. The contact is now unblocked and you can send, and this contact can't send you messages again. When blocking a contact, you have the option to report the conversation as spam. This helps Google identify and prevent spam messages in the future. The person you've blocked won't receive any notification about being blocked, and you can also block numbers not saved in your contacts by following the same steps. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. Hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.